Howzit TOB family, this is the JBL Tune 720BT over-ear headphones. It was released in March of 2024, comes in two colors, black and blue. Price on this one, 1,489 rands, which translates as 81 US dollars. Some features it boasts of include the JBL Pure Bass sound, hands-free calls, multi-point connection, lightweight and foldable design, fast charge feature, Bluetooth 5.3, voice aware, and the JBL headphone app. With these specs, I would call this mid-range. But let's unbox this and see what it's about. Let's go. So when you pop it open, this is what you get. The manual and warranty, USB Type-C charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and the JBL Tune 720BT over-ear headphones. At first look at this, very sturdy feel, super lightweight, just 220 grams. Great matte finish, flexible, soft head cushion, same with the earmuffs, for comfort and allowance for various head sizes. Simple design, no lights, no clutter, just plain and functional. 3 joints on each side makes it easy for you to put this on and adjust for a comfortable fit, or to fold it and make it more ergonomical. Some of the controls on the headphones are a mic, a Bluetooth indicator light, on and off button, 3.5mm audio port, volume down, voice assistant button, a volume up, USB Type-C charging port, another mic, charge indicator, and the last mic. Let's try this on and see how it fits. Let's go. So, fit test. As expected, very comfortable, lightweight. The earmuffs are so soft, so no pressure, not even a little. The earmuffs also create a little seal around your ears that keeps sound out. As I click my fingers, I can only hear it faintly. Headband is just right in tension, not loose and not too tight either, so no headache causing vice grip tension. You can have this on for a long period at a time and not feel fatigued. Have you ever used a headphone that almost made you take a painkiller? Tell me your experience in the comment section. I too have a crazy story. As you can see, controls are reached easily. All in all, great fit. Let's pair these now. Let's go. Alright, let's try to pair these and see how easy it is to do. First, we switch it on, and immediately we switch it on, you hear the voice command that says power on and pairing. So it immediately goes into the pairing mode. So you go to your Bluetooth settings and you search for it. It goes, you see the immediate says connect, and you connect here, and there's a voice command that says connected. Right here, you see that it's connected. So it's very easy for you to pair these with your cell phone or with your tablet or whatever device you want to use this on. Very easy, very simple. All right, let us go try the app and see what it's like. Let's go. So for you to use the app, you have to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, whatever your OS is, and download the JBL headphones. I've taken the liberty of doing that already and it's already set up. All right, let's just go into it and see what it's about. Firstly, here you have the app. On the first page of the app, you have your equalizer settings, you have your voice aware, you have smart audio and video, you have left and right sound balance, voice prompt, max volume limiter, and auto power off and on, and you have your support column. Now on the equalizer app, let's go into it. You've got some presets. Now you've got 6 presets. You have your jazz, vocal, bass, club, studio, and extreme bass, and you have the option of setting up one other EQ for yourself. So this is your EQ setting that you set up for yourself. Some people already know the kind of settings they want. They can just put it in, or if you don't, have fun seeking it out and looking through to see what you would like. Let's go to each of the presets and see. First of all, we have the jazz here. So already has the jazz setting here, and let's press this function key here, and this gives us a jazz 2. So with the jazz sound, you can set up something else that you like under the jazz preset. The vocal, I think, is the same. If you press it, the same thing, you get the vocal 2, and the vocal 2 is equalizer setting that is in the vocal preset that you would like, that sound. So I think that goes for all 6 of them. Wow, that is good. That is good. I like that. Okay, let's move on from that. Let's go to the voice aware. On the voice aware, what this is for you to control how much of your voice you want to hear during phone calls. You know that feedback kind of thing, like when you're talking on the phone, on your phone call, you hear yourself talking. Yeah, this determines how much of it you want to hear. It's low, medium, and high. So you set it up, same thing. Now smart audio is the audio mode and the video modes. So sorry, smart video and audio mode. So you can set up both modes and see what you like when you're using the headphones. Now we have a left and right sound balance. This should not come as a stranger to most people that use headphones. You know, sometimes you feel like you can hear more from your right ear than from your left ear, so you can balance out the sound. We have our voice prompts. Now voice prompts here, you can set up to the language you want to hear the voice prompts in. Your voice prompts are the sound that happens when you switch on your headphones and you hear welcome or setup or pairing. You decide whatever language you want to hear. You have several languages here. Set it up. The default is English. And here we have our max volume limiter. Now this is not a stranger to most people, because the same thing is on your cell phone for you to determine how much of the volume, where you want your maximum audio volume to be at. So that's what this is. You can set it up. You have auto power off. Now this determines how long you want your headphones to be on for before it turns off. Now if you have it around your neck and you're not using it and it's on, after 30 minutes, if it's set up that way, after 30 minutes the headphone goes off on its own. So that helps you save on battery power. If you ask me what I think about just going through the app like this, I'm still going to spend some time going through the app, but just on the surface level right now, I think it's good enough. I think the app is good enough. I mean, it's not a lot of things everywhere to just confuse you or anything. Everything is right here in front of you, but the things on the app are actually very functional. They are things that are they're needed when you're using the app. Mind you, this is not an active noise cancelling headphone. It is not. So that is why we don't have the active noise cancelling setting here on the app. So don't look for it. But I'm trying to say that everything here, right here on the app, is very functional and needed. I'm sure because it's a new headphone, after some time they will have to add some other things to it, but right now on the surface, I think this is great. Let's move on. If you like the video so far, please click on the like button to support this channel with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Alright, first of all, very great product. Very good sound, crispy, clear, not noisy, not dirty, very, very breezy sound. Great sound separation. There's a particular song I was listening to test. There's a particular album I was listening to test this. Shout out to Prime Circle. Now, this song I was listening to, this particular song, I heard some new sounds I've never heard since I've been playing the song. Very, very, very good sound. The sound separation, very, very nice. Nothing's overshadowing anything, even in the extreme bass preset. I was using the extreme bass preset because I like a little bass here and there sometimes, you know. So I was using the extreme bass preset, and wow, very, very good sound. I'm impressed by this. If you're a bass head, you're really gonna love this. Very, very good bass, and it's not one of those noisy, muffled bass. It's clear and thumping bass. Very, very good. I like this. All right, let's move on. After using this for a while, these are my observations, and before we go ahead, I want to say thank you for watching so far. Please remember to like the videos and leave a comment in the comment section when you're done watching. I really know what you think about these videos. All right, now let's get back to it. Now I'm going to break down my observations into 3 parts. Now, the design and build quality, features and performances, and the user experience. Now let's talk design and build quality. Very great design, nothing crazy. It is not cluttered with RGB and all that stuff. Very simple and plain design, but very functional. You have joints around, so it's a lot of movements, and also that gives you the option, or gives you the ability to be able to position the headset. That makes it very comfortable for you. I like the softness of the earmuffs. When you put them on, it creates a seal, not a complete seal, but it does create a seal to try to keep out outside noise. I like the fact that you don't have that vice grip feeling when you put it on. That indicates that the headband is too tight. It is super lightweight and it is very flexible. Okay, let's talk features and performance. Great sound, really, really good. I like the sound from this. It is beautiful, and the options you have with the app is amazing. Now the app is very concise, Now, not a lot of things, it's not cluttered and everything, but whatever is on the app, very functional, are things that are needed when it comes to listening to audio quality. Now, I know there's room for improvement with everything, and because this is new, I'm sure they're going to add some new things later, but for now, very functional, very, very good app. I like it. I like the multi-point connection feature. You're able to connect your phone and your tablet at the same time, because these days is most of the things that people walk around either with their tablet or a cell phone. All right, let's talk user experience. The box says you get 76 hours of use time for a full charge. I got 70 hours, depends on how you use it. There's also a quick charge function, so you get, for 5 minutes of charge, you get 3 hours of use. So the Bluetooth is always 10 meters as always, the Bluetooth 5.3. Call quality on this is fair. It's not great, but at the same time, it's not bad either. It is fair, like I said. This is what it sounds like. Howzit TOB family? This is a mic test of the JBL Tune 720BT over-ear headphones. If you hear my voice right now, this is what you sound like when you're on a phone call. As you can hear, it is fair. It is not so bad, and it's not exceedingly great either, but it is fair enough. So when you're on the phone, this is what you sound. If you watched the video up to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please click on the like button. It's good for the YouTube algorithm. And please leave a comment in the comment section. I mean, if there's nothing you do, please leave a comment in the comment section. I would appreciate that very much. Helps the channel grow. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, let me know in the comment section or send me an email. And until next time, take care.